Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I am so glad to have you here. Today we are discussing 5 prepping mistakes to avoid in your determination or your goal to become completely prepped for an SHTF situation. So these are 5 things that you definitely do not want to do if and when you are on your journey of prepping, or if you've completed your journey, maybe you've done some of these, so maybe you can rectify them now. So let's find out what those are and let's get started.
Five prepper mistakes to avoid, building resilience the right way. Prepping, or emergency preparedness, is a commendable pursuit that helps individuals and families become more resilient in the face of uncertainty. However, it is not uncommon for preppers to make mistakes that can undermine their efforts. Today, we will look at 5 common prepper mistakes and provide guidance on how to avoid them. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Prepper mistake: sharing too much information. One of the most common mistakes preppers make is oversharing information about their prepping activities. While community building is essential, divulging too much information can have unintended consequences. Security risks. Sharing the extent of your preps publicly can attract unwanted attention, potentially jeopardizing your safety. Resource depletion. Over-discussing prepping can lead to situations where neighbors or acquaintances expect assistance, potentially depleting your supplies. The solution? Practice discretion. Only share your prepping efforts within trusted and close-knit communities. Keep your prepping details private to maintain security and resource control. Prepper mistake: not using Fifo, or first in, first out. Neglecting proper rotation of supplies is a common prepper pitfall. Failing to implement the Fifo principle can lead to wasted resources. Expiration issues. If you don't use the oldest supplies first, they might expire before you get to them. Non-rotated supplies can lead to waste and unnecessary expenses. The solution? Label and date your supplies, and regularly use and replace the oldest items to ensure a fresh and reliable stock. Prepper mistake: focusing on gear rather than skills. Many preppers tend to accumulate a substantial amount of gear without honing essential skills. Relying solely on equipment can lead to inefficiency and disappointment. Without proper training, even the best gear may not be effective. Also consider weight and space. Excessive gear can be cumbersome and consume valuable storage space. The solution? Prioritize skill development. Focus on learning essential survival skills such as first aid, fire starting, navigation, and food preservation, and then acquire gear to complement these skills. Prepper mistake: not knowing how to use gear. Owning gear is one thing. Knowing how to use it effectively is another. A lack of hands-on experience can render your equipment useless in a crisis. When you're unfamiliar with your gear, you might not respond effectively to emergencies. Misusing equipment can be dangerous and lead to accidents. The solution? Practice regularly with your gear. Understand its functions, limitations, and maintenance requirements. Consider taking courses or attending workshops to enhance your skills. Prepper mistake: not keeping an inventory of supplies. Failure to maintain a comprehensive inventory of your supplies can lead to disorganization and difficulties during times of need. Duplication: without proper tracking, you may overpurchase certain items while neglecting others. Inefficiency: locating specific supplies can be time-consuming, especially during emergencies. The solution is to create and maintain inventory of your supplies, including quantities, locations, and expiration dates. Regularly update this list to stay organized and efficient. Prepping is an important and responsible way to build resilience in the face of uncertainty. By addressing these errors, you'll be better equipped to navigate any challenges that come your way.
Well, I hope you liked the video. You know I want to hear from you. Let me know if you have done any of these mistakes, if you know anybody else who has done any of these mistakes and how they rectified them, or if they were able to rectify those mistakes. I always love hearing from you. I will always answer back. Please like, comment, subscribe, all those good things that tell me that you were here, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.